Firehook Community Fishing, baby. Today we on a, little pond, lake, whatever you want to call it. We outside. See the water steady splashing over here. Got mosquitoes, sizes, goddamn beetles. But we're gonna do a catch and cook, right? And we got a nice skillet. We gotta rinse it out real quick. And we're gonna do some perch that we caught earlier. And so So our seasonings today consist of, I don't know what this is, but it's some roasted garlic, red pepper, some Old Bay. And this is where we're gonna kick it up to where we're gonna get some garlic parmesan. As you see. So these are the nice fillets that we're gonna cook up right here. That butter is crazy. Firehook Community Fishing, baby. I'ma just, don't take long. I'm a little hungry though. You ain't sneezing, ain't seizing, you will. They gonna be fucked up out here. This boy is crazy, man. You feel me? So it's really outside today. I don't think I was gonna do it. I was live. Yeah. What the fuck? I want to see it, huh? I'm over here. Look at that. Looking real good, right? Crazy. This is crazy. Firehook community fishing. Yeah, we do it all. Oh. What we got here is we got the Martins, got the potato rolls. I mean, but these are hot dog buns, but So we're gonna put some more of this. Just on here like that. Place it on here. This is from the first video when I started. Caught that perch. Look at it dripping like. You all right, John? Fresh out the pond. Firehook community fishing, y'all. Let's eat off this land. Certain things ain't right with all the food. With fresh fish. Man. Let's see. And we out, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Our first catching cook firehook community fishing, man. Sam the Barber. We outside for life.